Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome and please subscribe for more beauty tips. Today, we're diving into the world of DIY facelift treatments that you can do right at home. No needles, no surgery, just pure, natural goodness. Let's get that youthful glow back, shall we? We're talking about all the tips and tricks to achieve that natural, sculpted look without breaking the bank or going under the knife. So grab your Jade Rollers, your favorite essential oils, and let's get started. Okay, first up, we're going to talk about facial gymnastics. Now, I know what you're thinking. Facial gymnastics? Dora, have you lost it? But trust me on this one, facial gymnastics is basically like a workout for your face. It's all about activating those facial muscles that we often neglect, getting the blood flowing and sculpting those features. And the best part? You can do it anytime, anywhere. No gym membership required. Think about it. We exercise our bodies to stay toned and fit, so why not give our face muscles the same love? Facial gymnastics helps to tone and tighten those muscles, giving you a more defined and youthful look over time. Plus, it's a great way to relieve tension, especially after a long day of staring at a screen. Parts of the forehead, between the eyebrows, by the lips, or around the nasolabial folds are the most likely places to show expression lines. The orbicularis oculi is a muscle of the eye that controls the eyelids. Exercising it helps reduce age-related sagging and to lessen dark circles and swelling by activating localized blood microcirculation. Connecting the two jaws, the masseter muscle tends to relax with age. It is used strongly when we chew. The platysma muscle is located at the front of the neck, so don't hesitate to incorporate it into your anti-wrinkle exercise routine for the face. The neck area is sensitive to sagging skin, and simple exercises can help maintain skin elasticity for longer. The benefits are, it activates blood circulation, helps to strengthen the facial muscles and to reshape the oval appearance of a face, giving volume to the cheekbones and firming up the hollowest areas. Stimulates the production of collagen and elastin, two essential components for keeping the skin smooth and supple, thereby delaying the appearance of wrinkles and reducing the appearance of existing wrinkles. Next up, we're diving into the wonderful world of facial massage. Now, who doesn't love a good massage? It's like a mini spa day for your face. Facial massage is not just about relaxation, though it certainly does feel amazing. It's about stimulating blood circulation, draining lymphatic fluids, and promoting collagen production. We're talking about using gentle, upward strokes to lift and sculpt those cheekbones, reducing puffiness, and giving your skin that radiant glow. And the best part? You can incorporate facial massage into your daily skincare routine using your fingertips, a jade roller, or even a gua sha stone. I have put a link in the description below for you to buy one for yourself if you don't have one. A jade roller is a jade stone mounted on a handle that stimulates the facial muscles and activates lymphatic circulation to reduce dark circles and wrinkles. Placed in the refrigerator, it has an enhanced effect. A gua sha is a flat jade massage stone traditionally used in Chinese medicine to stimulate acupressure points and to relax facial muscles. Experiment with different techniques and find what feels best for you. Now let's talk about aromatherapy, because who doesn't love a good scent? Aromatherapy isn't just about making things smell nice. It's about using the power of essential oils to enhance your skin's health and appearance. Essential oils are basically concentrated plant extracts packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. We're talking about lavender oil to soothe and calm irritated skin, tea tree oil to combat acne, rosehip oil to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The list goes on and on. But remember, safety first. Always dilute essential oils with a carrier oil, like jojoba oil or almond oil, before applying them to your skin. Trust me, a little goes a long way. Alright, let's move on to face yoga. Now, I know it sounds a little out there, but trust me, it's a thing. Face yoga is all about combining facial exercises with deep breathing techniques to tone and tighten those facial muscles. Think of it like yoga for your face, but without the awkward poses. Stretch your forehead upward with both hands as you inhale. While maintaining this pose, look down with each outward breath. Keep your eyes closed with your index fingers. With each outward breath, try to open your eyelids. Partially close your nostrils with your thumb and forefinger and focus on your breathing. With each outward breath, activate the muscles that make the nose flare as if to push your fingers back. We're talking about simple exercises that target specific areas of your face, like the forehead, eyes, cheeks, and jawline. These exercises help to improve blood circulation, reduce tension, and give your face a more lifted and sculpted appearance. Plus, it's a great way to de-stress and unwind after a long day. Now, for those of you who love a little tech in their skincare routine, let's talk about the Face Sculpt Kit. This little gadget is like having a high-tech spa treatment right at home. We're talking about LED light therapy, microcurrent technology, and gentle vibrations all working together to stimulate collagen production, tighten and tone facial muscles, and give your skin that youthful glow. Now, I know what you're thinking. Dora, that sounds expensive. But trust me, there are some amazing face sculpt kits out there that won't break the bank. Plus, it's a one-time investment that can save you money on expensive spa treatments in the long run. Last but not least, let's talk about oral massage, also known as soin buccal. This technique has been gaining popularity lately, and for good reason. It's like a workout for your face, but from the inside out. We're talking about using your fingers to massage the muscles inside your mouth, targeting the cheeks, jawline, and even the nasolabial folds. This helps to release tension, improve blood circulation, and give your face a more sculpted and lifted appearance. Plus, it's incredibly relaxing and can even help with TMJ and teeth grinding. And there you have it. Beautiful people. 6 amazing DIY facelift treatments that you can do right at home. Remember, the key to younger-looking skin is consistency and a little bit of humor. So keep smiling, stay glowing, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe now for more beauty tips. Thank you for watching.